Welcome to our Affirm review. Considering Affirm? This video explores its features and services. Links are below. Affirm is a buy now pay later service making big or unexpected purchases easier. It offers flexible financing with transparent terms. Shopping for essentials, luxuries, or facing unexpected costs. Affirm lets you pay over time with manageable installments from 3 to 36 months. Unlike credit cards, Affirm has no hidden fees, late fees, or compounding interest. It's perfect for those who value clear payment structures. Using Affirm is simple. At checkout with many popular retailers, you'll see the Affirm option. Select it to view your payment plan, including the exact interest or sometimes 0% April pre-qualify without impacting your credit score. Explore your budget commitment free. Once approved, pay directly through the Affirm app or website. Reminders and automatic payments help you stay on track. Affirm offers flexibility and transparency. It's ideal for young professionals, students, or anyone avoiding credit cards. Interest rates vary from 0% to around 30% based on your credit. Understand the terms before you commit. Affirm isn't a replacement for financial discipline, but a tool to spread out costs without revolving credit's pitfalls. We found Affirm's user interface straightforward, its customer service reliable, and its integration with major retailers seamless. It's best for planned purchases and timely pairs. If you value budget awareness and clarity, Affirm might be right for you. Check the links below to explore further. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more reviews.